Alright guys, organic guava, no spray, and it looks really pretty, right? It looks very pretty. Now let's cut this. See what's inside. You see what's inside, guys? That looks like loaded with worms. So that's a problem. Every single year in the summer, guavas, can you see that worm moving over there? So that's a problem. You can't eat that. It's got a lot of worms. But you know, that's what nature is. You don't spray, it's organic, and that's what you're gonna get. They are all loaded with worms. There you go. So anyway, in the winter this guava is better, but in the summer lots of worms. That's it. Too bad.